How to install the lining or facing on S3150 Simplicity number 2, the bra. Stay tuned for part 3, the jacket. The jacket is going to be made out of the same fabric that the shorts are made of. The shorts has pockets. Would you sew this outfit? Let me know. Hello, Alethea here. How to install the lining or facing on S3150 Simplicity number 2, the bra. We're going to sew the bra up and install it on the bra. So the bra is looking just like this. It's the share of the outer garment, and we're going to sew this up and install it on the bra. I'm gonna sew my notches first and then my seam. All the seams are completed sewing, and I have to clean up my work and press. So the lining has been cleaned up, pressed, and trimmed. So what we're gonna do is take the lining and the bra with right size facing, matching our dots and our circles. Line it up, pin it down, and sew from one end of the bra all the way around and leaving the left side of the bra open. So I'm gonna pin now. This is how it's looking after it's been pinned. Then we'll baste it and stitch it up. This is how it's looking after it's been flipped over. It has to be pressed. Here's the scraps sewn in place. Left side has to be slip stitch and buttonholes placed on the right side. Now we're done. This is the finished look for the bra. The buttons have to be attached, and also the straps. And that left side has to be slip stitched by hand. Let's see, this is how the back is looking. I pinned it up on here as best I could. So this is the back, and the straps are included inside the lining or facing. Buttonholes goes here. And she came out pretty good. I'm very pleased with it, and it was very easy to sew and quick. It was very quick to sew, and it's an easy project. Let me know if you would sew this bra. Thanks for watching. So this completes part 2 of building or build a pattern Simplicity 3150. This was part 2, the bra, as you can see, and part 1 was the shorts. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Sweet sewing inspirations. Let me know in the comment if you would sew this pattern. It's rated easy, and the bra is less than 30 to 60 minutes after cutting. Very easy breezy with the lining. Stay tuned for part 3, the jacket. The jacket is going to be made out of the same fabric that the shorts are made of. The shorts has pockets. Would you sew this outfit? Let me know.